Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on these Sony headphones. These are wired headphones. These are model number MDR-XZ110. So here's everything that comes in the box. The wires are permanently attached. You don't need to install batteries. There is no Bluetooth connectivity. The only way to hear anything out of the headphones is you do have to plug it into a headphone jack. Now overall the cord is 4 feet long. It's a single cord until you get about right here, and then it splits off. Now you cannot move that up or down, but it does split off into two, the left and the right ear. There's a symbol here, an R and an L for left and right. Okay, that goes towards the back. You can adjust them also. They're very soft, but they're just so simple to use. No power switch, no batteries, no Bluetooth. You simply just put them on your head, plug this into a phone or a tablet or computer, and you can start listening to your music. Now the part, that's about 32 inches long, and then the part that splits off is about 16 inches long. Let's measure the earpieces. Overall, they're 2.5 inches. And you can really extend these pretty big. About 6.5 inches down. You can really spread them really far apart, almost 10 inches apart. Lots of flexibility here to use. The wires look like they're good, very well attached. 2.5 that way. Now they do fold up. Now folding them up can be a little tricky. You want to rotate it kind of at an angle. Just follow the little track, rotate it at an angle. Don't twist them, you know, just kind of rotate it up at an angle. Then they will go flat like that. So when they're flat, 6.5 inches by about 4.5 inches thickness wise, about 1.25 inches. So here's everything that comes in the box. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.